So we're on a quest to find the best coaster in the Smokies. We're at our very first coaster. We're gonna be doing a whole series and going from coaster to coaster to coaster. So you've made it to video number 1. We're gonna start out here at Ober Mountain at the Tennessee Flyer. So once we've done all of the coasters, we're gonna award one of the coasters with this trophy.
This beautiful first place, best coaster in the Smokies trophy.
So we're gonna do a video here and then we'll go to the next coaster and so on and so forth. So this is video 1. I'll put a link down to all of the coasters. I'm excited to go in here to the Tennessee Flyer. I have done this one and you have as well.
Yes.
So this isn't our first time, but I kind of remember it. I do know it goes off on an edge a little bit. It's a little bit
scary.
You know, you get some height on some certain parts, so we're gonna record that and let you see what it's like, and then we'll talk about what we think about this coaster. It says that it has a top speed of 25 miles per hour. We're gonna do our best to push that limit and keep holding it down on the throttle the whole way to give you the fastest ride possible. And it says it has a ride duration of 5.5 minutes. So we're gonna hop on here and bring you along with us to the Tennessee Flyer here at Ober Mountain. Before we bring you on the Tennessee Flyer, just wanted to point out that, again, this is at Ober Mountain in Gatlinburg. You can get up here by one of two ways. You can either take their aerial tramway, which gives you some fantastic views of the Smokies on the way up here, or do what we did and just drive up here. Just keep in mind, you will have to pay for parking, and you're gonna have to head back here to get to the Tennessee Flyer. There's no actual admission to get into Ober Mountain itself, to get over to this area.
In order to ride the Tennessee Flyer, you have to be at least 3 years old and 36 inches tall. You have to be at least 9 years old and 52 inches tall to ride it alone. To ride double, the person controlling it has to be 18, and children 8 and under do have to ride with someone at least 18 years old. Your max combined weight can be 300 pounds.
So let's head inside and go for a ride on this mountain coaster here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Now that we've walked through the building, we're gonna head up these stairs to load on the mountain coaster.
All right, I'm excited.
All right, I'm gonna push down.
Okay. Bye.
Have fun, enjoy.
Thank you.
You're welcome, you enjoy your day.
Here we go. We're gonna go up the Tennessee Flyer for a little bit. I can let off the handles here while we just go for a nice, relaxing ride through the trees here. One other thing I wanted to point out about this mountain coaster is it's about 11 years old at the time of recording, and it's one of the only American-made coasters, whereas the ones that will be going on in upcoming videos, most of them are from outside the US. Just something I wanted to point out about the Tennessee Flyer. So when I look at their website, it says about the Tennessee Flyer, embark on an unforgettable mountain adventure with Ober's Tennessee Flyer mountain coaster. Your journey will begin with a relaxing 1,000-foot ascend through the trees, which is what we're doing right now. You never know, you might see a bear on your way up here. It goes on to say, offering stunning views as you're comfortably lifted to the summit. Once you reach the top, the real fun begins. So I do remember this one's got a pretty good long lift ride up, and I think I see Brie up ahead of me here. So again, you are in control of your own speed once we take off. You'll be ready to tackle the 3,750-foot track of exhilarating twists, turns, dips, and zigzags. Whether you prefer a leisurely cruise to soak in the scenery, meaning go nice and slow, you can do that, or a high-speed thrill ride reaching up to 25 miles per hour. The Tennessee Flyer delivers an experience tailored to your taste. So we got a little bit more to go. I think we're about halfway there. And we are here filming in April, but I could see having some shade here in the trees. Very nice come June, July, August, when it's much hotter, versus some coasters will go on. You're just kind of out in the open. So this is nice. Just kind of going through the woods here in Gatlinburg. All right, let's get us ready to take off. I'm gonna do my best to go full throttle. Hat is good, glasses are locked in. All right, here we go. Push levers forward now. I know this one goes over the edge a little bit. Oh, oh okay. Oh yeah, we're getting 25. Away. Okay, I'm using the brakes slightly. I thought I would go all the way, but this is fast. Oh, we are way over the edge there. Oh, oh, that was a little dip. Oh, here we go, around the circle. Oh, a really good view. Wow, that was awesome. Last stretch, I think. Coming around. Oh, there's the photo spot. Oh, and we got the slow down sign. Oh, wow. Whew. With a really great view of the mountains off in the distance. Okay, that was pretty fun. Yeah. Oh. Wow. Oh, that was awesome.
All right, you can let go and buckle, and you're gonna step over to your left.
Awesome, thank you. So Brie, what do you think of the Tennessee Flyer mountain coaster here at Ober Mountain?
Well, I loved being in the mountains. I loved being immersed in the trees. You really feel like you're just part of the natural landscape of the mountain. And I love that view when you come around the corner at the bottom. You can see Gatlinburg. It's just beautiful. What did you think?
I really liked it. It was a lot of fun. We actually did it twice. The first time I tried to hold it down go as fast as possible. Well, you are whipping around some of those turns, and I did kind of let back a little bit. Second time I did a little bit slower ride purposefully, not so slow that I'm holding up everybody behind me, but I just kind of went on a nice, more casual looking around and soaked everything in a bit more. And I think I liked the second ride a little better. So I don't know that I would say this is the one you want to just go full blast. You can. But I liked just kind of more casually. Again, like she said, I like the view. So being able to see the view a little bit more versus flying by some of those sections which have a really good view. So
I do agree with you. Going slower is better on this coaster. When you're going really fast, it can be a little bit shaky. It's not as smooth as, say, some other coasters we've been on. So going slow on this one is definitely the way to go.
The question is, where does this rank among all of the coasters? In 3, 2, 1, 1. It's in first place.
Why is it in first place?
This is the first coaster we've done. However, tomorrow we're going to release a new video, or you can check out the next video if you're watching this after it's been released. We'll be trying out coaster 2, coaster 3. I think we have up to 12 coasters we're going to be trying out in this series. And at the very end, someone is getting this little trophy here.
How exciting.
Yes.
Ordered on Amazon.
Was it Amazon?
Yes.
Nice job. She ordered it. So we'd love to hear from you in the comments. Have you ever been on the Tennessee Flyer here at Ober Mountain in Gatlinburg, Tennessee? What did you think of it? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful or enjoyable, do us a big favor. Simply like the video. It's a great way to support our channel. And if you'd like to check out coaster number 2, if it is out already, it's going to be right. You got to duck down. We're in the way right there. Right here. This is coaster number 2. So go watch that video. And we'll see you over on coaster number 2 to see who wins this. Until next time, we'll see you on this video right here.
So we'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Coaster number 2.
On this video right up here when it's officially up there and live. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.